What's up, YouTube? It's Copes. I go by Copes the King. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for returning. And if you're not, go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? Now, for my returning subscribers, I already know what you're thinking. You're probably cussing me out right now. I'm so sorry I didn't upload like I promised. I didn't upload heavily. I did give you guys a couple of videos, and I actually did film a video, which I didn't upload. It was me unboxing my new MacBook Pro. If you want it, I'll go ahead and upload it. So just comment below if you would like to see that video of me unboxing my new laptop. But this is not the video for that. This video is my dorm tour, a partial tour of my dorm. I will eventually give you guys like a full tour, but right now I'm not really done setting up my bathroom and the kitchen area. But I can say that I'm partially done with my dorm. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to like hang up my stuff and like pictures and stuff and fix my curtain rods. You'll see in a minute, but let's get into it. So voila, when you first walk in, you're gonna see this wall of like streamer like for a photo backdrop, and I absolutely love this. When I seen this, I just had to get it, you guys. This is gonna add so much flair to like my videos, and I'll probably be sitting exactly right here, and then I'll have my camera propped up sort of like this. Be zoomed in like that, and then it'll just look so cool. So yes, I am excited about this backdrop. I love it. As soon as I laid eyes upon it, I had to get it. And then when you turn to your right, boom, you have my closet. This is where I store all the drip, all my pants and stuff. Shorts are up there. Then I just have my clothes sort of color coordinated, and this actually isn't all my clothes. I didn't put like everything in my closet simply because when I did that last time, I just had like hangers, you know, like full of stuff that I didn't wear. And this semester I want to actually like have my closet filled with stuff that I'm going to go and reach for, and just, you know, some of my favorite pieces. So I have it kind of color coordinated and kind of like organized. So the gray hangers are for long sleeves. These have green hangers because they're jackets, and I just like happen to have two hangers and two jackets that I brought with me, so it was like perfect. And then I have my white tees, my black tees. I have this shirt that of an organization that I'm a part of, and then I just have some extra hangers for stuff that I didn't hang. So that's great because I'm going to be doing a little bit of shopping. You know, I like to shop. And then below, I have all of my shoes. You can't really see them because I have like bags and my tripod and my ring light case. But these are my shoe boxes. So yeah. When I close that, got the hanger up there. I don't know if you guys seen that. And then we have my bed. So I have this baby blue sort of comforter with like navy blue on the other side. It's like reversible. And I have these two soft, really soft pillows that I absolutely adore. I have my pillow, and then I have these lights, which I got from Target, which are saying gibberish right now because what I did have in there, it like fell out. So they're just saying yay, oh, I'm like a pirate. And then, you know, a sad face right there. Yeah, definitely. And I just turn those on when I'm like feeling the vibe really. You know, I want to set the mood a little bit. I'll just turn those on. You guys will eventually see maybe. And I would have a freaking picture right here, you guys, but I didn't think to bring a hammer. Now I do have nails. Um, I do have nails to like hang the stuff, but I just don't have anything to hang it with. I know I can probably find something hard to like bang the nail in the wall. I'm gonna see if my roommates have one before I do that. Then I have my curtains right here, and they're hanging pretty low because I don't have a screwdriver to adjust the spring. So they're just like hanging. I don't know if it looks weird. I feel like it looks weird. I feel like it should be higher. Oh my god. I don't know why it's not the same length as my window last semester, but it's whatever. This is a new commons, a new dorm. So then I have my lamp right here. I have my ring light. I'm gonna step back a little bit. I have my ring light right there, which is great for like my videos and then pictures, you know, and then I'll just have about a window for extra, you know, lighting. Then I have my flat screen right here. I have my Xbox. If you play Fortnite, comment your gamer tag below because I do want to play with you. And then over here on the desk area, I just have my camera bag with all of my equipment in it. I have some screen gear, which is like technology cleaner. Then I have my electronic duster, which is great for like if you have like dust in your keyboard or like crumbs and stuff, you want to get that out. That is really great. Then I have a picture of me and my family. I have class of 2019. Woo woo. I have my initials, my wax burner, which is not burning any wax right now. My Lysol wipes because, you know, COVID. I have some pens. I decided to take all of my pens out of there and put them in there because you see I have a very excessive amount and I just feel like I'm always saying, do you have a pen? I need a pen. So, boom. Then I have my lamp, some tape, random stuff, paintbrushes, index cards, jewels, command strips and stuff. This which I got for my birthday, stickies, rulers, pencils, pens, all of that good stuff in this pencil holder. And then I'm gonna step back a little bit. I have my container, drawer, whatever you want to call it. Right here, it has like literally everything you can imagine in it, except for food. But it has all of my like hygiene products and stuff. Yeah. So, oh my goodness. Then I have some tissue right here just to sit right there. You know, I feel like it's good to just have that just in case, you know, get a little runny nose. Got some got a lemon and then my bananas, paper towels, and here's my microwave and fridge, and there's my phone. Then I have my dry erase board. Luckily I have this one because my other one, like with my calendar and stuff, that would have been hanging right there. It fell, guys. Yes, it fell. So I'm going to have to get another one because it's just not sticking. It's broken. I'm really sad about that. I may make it work, like if I really feel like it, but I really don't. Then I just have my shoe rack right here. Some of my shoes. And that's pretty much it. I will be updating you if I can get the picture on the wall. I may get some more pictures and I want to fix my curtains. But, oh yeah, and my rug, guys. My rug. So beautiful, so soft. I just have like a dresser under there, nightstand that would have been right there, but I just moved it under there. I got some more stuff. That's my snack bin and some more stuff under there that I don't want to show you because I feel like it looks really good with all the stuff pushed back and no one can see it. Am I missing anything? No, that's pretty much it. My last dorm, it had carpet, but this one has hardwood floors, which I really like because the carpet just had like stains from previous students and it just didn't really mesh with my rug. But this one has these gray hardwood floors and I like them a lot. I feel like it complements the blue in my room and it just sets it off really nicely. Oh, I didn't even get to show you guys my new laptop, you guys. You've seen it. You just seen it. Like, I don't know how I came over here to the desk and forgot to mention my laptop and also this. But, yes, I did get the MacBook Pro 2020 13-inch. And I'm super excited about this because I can do so much on this laptop as far as editing, photos, videos, getting that good content out there for you guys. I am investing in Final Cut Pro. So, please bear with me. It's not cheap. And I have my Wacom tablet, which I can use on here as like a mouse, or which I use it for Photoshop to edit photos and stuff like that. It just gives me like a bigger space, and it comes with, where's the pen? You guys, oh, I'm always losing this, but it comes with this pen, and you can like obviously use it on the pad to like, and it'll, you know, Bluetooth with the laptop, which is awesome. So I love that. And then my Apple Watch is just sitting there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I have to add those few things and then I will update you guys. And I also will, when I do the update, the bathroom and the kitchen area and everything else should be ready so I can show you guys like the full, you know, dorm. But for right now, this is my room, you know, room/dorm tour. I did get a new lens. If the quality of the video, etc., is looking like really different, I did get a new lens and I can like zoom and the focus is like amazing on it. Tell me, how does it look, you guys? This is my first video testing it. But that wraps up this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this, you know, with like personal stuff and rooms and decor and stuff like that, let me know in the comments. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video.